Let's explore data lineage and tracking. It involves understanding data origins, transformations, and dependencies across systems. Data lineage involves tracking the origin of data across systems and processes. It means documenting how data transforms during its life cycle. The purpose of data lineage is to ensure transparency and trust in data quality. It also aids debugging, compliance, and impact analysis. The key components of data lineage includes data sources and transformations. Data sources includes databases and warehouses. It also includes third-party application programming interfaces, commonly known as APIs, files, and streams. Transformations includes data cleansing and filtering, aggregation and summarization, and format conversion. There are primarily two methods for data lineage tracking: automated tracking and manual tracking. Automated tracking includes metadata capture via extract, transform, load tools or ETL tools, system logs and audit trails, and APIs integrating lineage data. Manual tracking includes documentation of data processes, user annotations and comments, and version control for data artifacts. Let's look at a sample Python code for capturing lineage metadata. The function named capture_lineage takes data source and transform as input. It records source and transformation applied to the data. Lineage is a dictionary object with source and transform keys. The function returns the lineage object. The term def in the code defines a function, commonly known as method. Data lineage provides numerous benefits. It improves data quality and consistency. It enables faster root cause analysis. It also supports regulatory compliance. Furthermore, it facilitates impact analysis for changes. It enhances collaboration across teams. Implementing data lineage can be challenging. The complexity of modern data ecosystems poses a significant hurdle. Heterogeneous data sources and formats add to the difficulty. Scalability of lineage tracking is also a concern. It is also challenging to maintain accuracy and freshness of data. Integrating manual and automated methods could be another challenge. In summary, data lineage tracks data origins, transformations, and dependencies across systems. It enhances data quality, compliance, and impact analysis. As next steps, implement lineage tracking tools and ensure collaboration. Stay proactive in maintaining accurate data lineage for your ecosystem. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.